Never has there been a more appropriate, more potent time here and now to reset, rejuvenate, and reframe your life and world through deepening your personal connection and relationship with the elemental world of nature. Give yourself a most powerful gift of renewal for your mind, body, spirit, and soul as you join our dynamic group of explorers of both inner and outer nature for one incomparable week of well-deserved deep rest, gentle guidance, and instruction. For 2 days while in base camp, prior to your wilderness journey, Bud and Brady Wilson will prepare you for your solo experience with practices that expand your awareness and presence while connecting you deeply to the powerful, healing flow of nature. You'll acquire and learn internal skills to masterfully navigate our turbulent times, while building resiliency and creating a lasting, deep state of rest, renewal, and relaxation. During the 4 nights and 5 days of your wilderness solo adventure, the dust, distractions, and uncertainty of our current world simply fade away over time as you rest ever more deeply in our most profound, primal, and enduring relationship with the natural and elemental world. Upon your return from your extraordinary experience, the skills and practices you learn with us in the wilderness will continue to enhance your life with greater presence, productivity, certainty, and clear purpose, providing a clear path for your living more fully in the present moment. Many people learn wilderness survival skills as a way to connect deeply with nature. Here with us in the wilderness, Deep Nature Journeys will introduce and train you in elegantly simple yet powerful practices you can employ daily that will empower you to thrive in any environment rather than simply survive.
I'm Bud Wilson. I'm an awareness trainer, leadership guide, wilderness guide. We bring people together in nature to increase their vitality, their aliveness, their clarity. We help people quiet their minds and open their hearts in the wild. So we welcome you to join us. You can learn a lot more about our programs at www.deepnaturejourneys.com.